My name is Spencer Belz. I am currently the marketing coordinator for the Botanist, New Jersey locations. We are vertically integrated with 3 retail locations in Atlantic City, Egg Harbor Township, and Williamstown. And we also have full cultivation, processing, and manufacturing as well. I've been with the company for over 3.5 years, started out as a dispensary attendant and worked my way up into a marketing position, and currently the marketing manager overseeing all of our internal and external marketing operations. Botanist originated in New York. We are now in, I think, 6 or 7 different states and about to expand into 9. So the Botanist is really focused on the health and wellness of our patients and our users. We, have a strong focus on the educational side, paying attention to the plant itself and understanding the plant medicine behind it, and making sure that all of our users are receiving quality products, quality services. That way, when somebody walks through the door, that attendant is there to have that conversation and be able to make sure that that patient has a clear understanding of the potential effects and benefits they could get from these individual products that we carry. We offer a cultivar guide, which is a detailed account of each individual product that we carry in store, so that our patients can take that home, do a little bit of research themselves, and have a better grasp and understanding on our products before they come back in for the next visit. We were originally Compassionate Care Foundation. We were the 2nd medical marijuana license awarded in the state of New Jersey, and we began operating in October of 2013. Acreage Holdings acquired us in June of 2020. We now operate as the Botanist. But with that came all of our experienced staff into this transition. So myself, I've been here for over 3.5 years, and we have about a dozen employees that have been here longer than me, both in the front of house, working within the retail locations, and in the back of house in our grow facilities. So we have a lot of experience within the cannabis industry, and specifically the New Jersey industry. In November of 2020, the people of New Jersey voted to legalize. In February of 2021, our governor finally signed the bill into law, and now we are just awaiting guidance from the CRC on when we can begin sales. We're hoping sometime in Q2 of next year we'll be able to start dispensing. As a community, we have really done a lot over the past 6 months to understand that cannabis is much bigger than us. We've been running donation drives to raise both money and food for our communities. We've worked with the NAACP, the Pride Center of New Jersey, and we've also run, I think, 3 or 4 canned food drives for the Community Food Bank of New Jersey and the Atlantic City Rescue Mission. So we understand that for us to really immerse ourselves into this market, it's much bigger than just dispensing cannabis, and we're always looking forward to see how we can work with those in our communities and give back to all of those communities as well. We actually just finished a massive grow expansion where we built out the rest of our warehouse with individual rooms, state-of-the-art lighting, HVAC, the whole 9. Back in August, we recategorized our product to where we now offer our whole flower, littles, and then our trim. By splitting up that whole flower and the littles, it really helped us, put that deeper focus into the flower itself and create those different level tiers of, what products we have to offer, and then at different price points as well. That way you're getting the quality that you're paying for. We currently categorize our products into, 4 different lineages. So we call them indica dominant, sativa dominant, 50-50 hybrids, and then our CBD dominant cultivars. So the CBD dominant cultivars are just that. When we look at the testing, they have significantly higher levels of CBD than we do THC. A huge demographic within this program that often kind of gets overlooked are the pediatric patients. While we don't like to see anybody that young needing, any significant medication, we're very happy to be able to offer something. So we have a high CBD strain that has less than 0.6% THC. So there's going to be minimal, if any at all, psychoactive properties, which can be really beneficial for those patients that, deal with any type of seizures or epilepsy. So we love having those CBD strains available. Then we have the sativa dominant, which are a little bit more uplifting and energetic, usually a little bit more focused on the head. These are really beneficial for our patients that are looking for something more energetic to, combat fatigue. or something to really uplift the mood if they, have any issues with depression or anything. On the indica dominants, they're much more focused on the body, usually better for pain relief and relaxation. This is something that the grand majority of our patients really rely on. And then towards the middle, with those 50-50 hybrids, these usually affect the head and the body, pretty balanced, a little bit more straightforward with the effects, but offers that wide range of relief. Currently, we are producing our own flower, and we are also making our own vape cartridges. We're doing a supercritical CO2 extraction. It's single strain whole flower medicine. So we're extracting all of the original cannabinoids and terpenes, and then we're reintroducing them back into themselves. We are in the process of starting our manufacturing expansion with the intention of being able to offer lozenges, gummies, and whatever the CRC continues to allow us to produce. So we're hoping sometime next year we're going to have these products available. That being said, we do carry wholesale product from other companies. So we do have lozenges and gummies from different companies, as well as tinctures and topicals as well. Back in June, we had been approached by another company on our interest in wholesale, and we immediately jumped on it. We were really excited to start carrying others' products in our location. A big part of this industry is the accessibility. There are dozens and dozens of different products and form factors, and we want to make sure that our patients have access to all of those as easily as possible. Not everybody is interested in smoking, not everybody is interested in vape carts or edibles, so we want to make sure that we have something for everybody on our menus and really create us to be a cannabis one-stop shop. And we, as the Botanist, are currently dispensing our flower, our vape cartridges, and soon our pre-rolls to all of the other companies in New Jersey as well. So those that live much further in North Jersey are able to get our vape cartridges and our flower without having to make that extensive drive down here. So, expanding that access has been really huge, and it's allowed us to build our name as a company and allow people to try our high quality products that might not be, as easily accessible otherwise. Our reason for, moving forward with Leaf Trade was really the ease and accessibility within this industry of the wholesale operations. We've got 35 different cultivars available in multiple form factors, as well as all of these other companies. That becomes a lot to manage, of being able to keep track of the individual products, the current availabilities, the individual orders. And we really wanted to be able to streamline our operations to make it more efficient for the companies that are ordering from us, from the person managing the wholesale orders, and then for our processing and inventory team in the back of house that need to fulfill and deliver these orders. Email is a fantastic resource, but we all know how things get buried in threads. People don't always follow up, and finding Leaf Trade was, pretty much the solution that we were looking for. We're now able to upload all of our products, have the control over what is available, and our different partners are able to purchase from us. And then everything is built internally. All of our team members are going to have clear communication through this single dashboard, so we can receive the orders, we can confirm them, we can schedule the deliveries, schedule the payments, and that really allowed us to streamline our internal operations. Anybody that's worked in any type of CBG or inventory-based industry understands that, it's a lot of work to track every single product that you have, especially in the cannabis industry. In New Jersey, every single jar has a unique barcode, and that needs to be accounted for every single day. We're very grateful that this exists, and as we're setting everything up and onboarding, we're already seeing how much it's going to benefit our operations and how much time it's already saving us. The depth of your newsletters and social media and design and communication with all of our partners is, so unbelievable, because that takes a lot off of my plate, as somebody that would need to maintain that, but it also allows us to continue to grow in conjunction with you guys, so we're, I'm very excited to continue to work with your team on that. I think it's going to help elevate our brand drastically. And in the meantime, hopefully that's going to get you guys more partners and, allow more companies in New Jersey to start offering their products, a little bit more freely as well. Very grateful to be working with Leaf Trade. You guys were the exact solution that we needed. We went from 0 0 to 100 with our wholesale operations in the matter of 2 or 3 months. We went from doing one deal in the month of June to, now doing dozens of deals every single month, and partnering with Leaf Trade is really going to allow us to continue to grow and expand on that, while allowing us internally to become better organized and to keep growing at the same time. So we're very grateful for everything you guys are doing, very excited for our partnership to keep growing, and can't wait to see what we have going on for next year.